Do you ever feel stuck at your desk? Deadlines piling up, brain fog rolling in, staring at the screen, stressed and frozen, moving on autopilot with no real direction. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple grounding practice you can do right now at your desk. No special setup needed. Whenever you feel stuck at home, whether you're at your desk, your home desk, or in a cubicle at work, just try this quick sensory check. You can do it right now as you watch. Take three slow breaths, just observing each inhale and exhale. Now, gently scan your body from head to toe. Simply name what you notice. Is it heat? Is it tension? Is it ease? Is it a sensation? Without trying to change anything, starting with your head. What is showing up here? Is it a buzz? Is it a heaviness? A lightness? Moving down to your neck and throat, the doorway for your words and breath. What is stuck here? Your arms, do they feel heavy, light, or restless? Your hands, what are you holding? How tight or soft is your grip? Your shoulders, is there an armor here? Or can they melt a little? Your entire back, notice the landscape. Is it broad or tense? Your chest, what rises and falls here? Your belly, is it soft? Is it tight? Is it fluttering? Your hips, if you're sitting, is it held? Is it grounded? Is it stiff? Is it open? Your right leg, any sensations? Your left leg, what is awake here? Your feet, feel the ground solid and steady beneath you. If you're standing, if you're not standing, just notice what is there. This is how you feel now compared to just a few minutes ago. You can use this anytime, before a meeting, after a tough email, or in between tasks as a way to reset without leaving your desk. Grounding doesn't take long, it just takes noticing. And feel free to save this video whenever you need a reset. And you can check out, if you're looking for longer body scan meditation videos, you can check out my meditation videos. And subscribe for more short practices that you can do anywhere. And do have a beautiful, beautiful rest of the day.